Hello, kumusta to all viewers? I make it video this one because same as usual na my cellphone is stuck up already, so we cannot download. I don't want to delete. Once again, this one is our previews as of what I'm telling always. This one is our previews, mga pictures, mga activities between me and Cici every day. Okay. And again, thank you to all subscribers of mine. Thank you to all viewers of mine in my YouTube channel pala. In my YouTube channel. And thank you to all supporters of YouTube channel. Thank you very much. And thank you also that you are spending time if I make live. Thank you. Some of them is late upload na. Before photos, this one is mga old photos or old videos. And I have some videos is 40, 50. So I cannot download na. It's more than 30 na, that's why. So I make it like this one na lang. Okay? So thank you again. Thank you to all spend time to watch my live. Thank you very much talaga that you still support. And thank you. Some of them also that it makes subscribe. I wish sana that you are watching, and even you are watching in my short video so that I can make vice versa to subs also to you when I finish live and when I finish work like this time. Now Celine, she arrived already and she is busy na in watching his iPad. And so now also I make video like this one. And that is only my time also to make it while Madam is not yet come answer. And I can disturb what I'm doing. The sounds ba because of CC of the iPad. Okay, so once again, thank you nationwide, worldwide, to the different countries, to the different people in this world, to the different times. How are you? How are you? Shout out to all of us. Nationwide, worldwide, in these different countries. Thank you. Thank you very much that you are still with us. Thank you. I tried this one that I can download because nga it's full already. I wish inshallah. Because I have no time, I have no what's that pa. I can buy din maybe if I finish mga step for the what's that, I can buy a new one maybe, even a small iPad. Okay, so this one is our photos and videos before pa. When she's still 3, 2, 4. So thank you again. Thank you. And to all those some blogger that you are still supported of me from the beginning until now. You know who you are. You have also your individual channel. So thank you very much talaga. That you will support me and I still connect with them. Even not all the time I connect with you, at least if I can watch to your videos, I can watch also. Thank you very much talaga. And to all my families, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, to the different countries, to the Philippines, shout out. Shout out to all of us. That one is the birthday celebration of mine. Okay, thank you again talaga. Thank you very much that you are still support in my channel. Thank you, and thank you.